This is how to install fonts on Pixellab. Links to the apps are in the description below this video. First you have to download ZAchiver from Play Store. These are fonts I've already installed in Pixellab using ZAchiver. So just follow closely and see how I will do all of it. If this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like the video if you really like it. So now you can open the ZAchiver app if you've installed it. Go to the file location where you downloaded the font zip file. How to download fonts is left for another video. Click the zip file, then click on extract. After extracting successfully, it will save the TTF, OTF in the location. Now go back to Pixellab. Go to Font panel and click My Fonts. Select File Location and open. Then click on Add Directory. Your fonts are launched and ready to use. This happens to every font you download. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and comment what you want to see on my next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.